Haven't eaten since last night.
Give us a number.
If I'm being honest, I think I could eat 60. Like, that's just who I am. They call me the donut vanisher. So
You call yourself the donut vanisher.
no, they call me.
No. He approaches.
JT for sure.
Tim. Team JT.
I gotta support my teammate JT.
Donut vanisher.
JT will annihilate.
Jay Tizzle by 30.
Tim.
I think I gotta stay loyal to JT.
Oh, Jay Tizzle all day.
Yeah.
Varsity athlete, elite swimmer. Not today.
Choke him out.
Tim, obviously.
I don't know. JT looks vibrant.
Stayed in.
Didn't touch the ground.
It's saved.
Did not touch I promise.
All right. 1 dozen down. That is gonna look so good for the video though. All right, JT, you do something like that.
One bite.
Wow. JT, what's wrong?
I just needed to get out of the donut smell.
Oh, the smell. He looks very distraught.
You're distraught.
I'm not crying, you're crying.
I'm not full, you're full.
Hey Daniel, give us your best Tim impression right now.
Pretty dead on. Level 70.
Oh! Get it! Who's this next box go out to?
My mom, she raised me, fed me my whole life, brought me donuts when I needed them. First box goes out to Caroline. Ready for Nair's body.
Yes. Tim. Yeah.
I'm taking my time.
Oh, don't
Throw up on his donuts and then go eat the rest of yours.
That would be so
All
gross.
smoked.
It's totally fine.
That's
a fight.
Don't you give up, Tim.
No eyes.
I made another donut out of this donut. There's no hole.
JD's getting in your head, he's playing the mind games.
Do it.
I need water ASAP.
Who you are? Oh no. No, JT.